Do you have a favorite Yiddish word, phrase, or song?
Oh, goodness. I have a lot of them. It's funny because one of the things that I mentioned in class can help be Teuten Bankas. People have no clue as to what Teuten Bankas are. I happen to know what they are, and I happen to have a friend whose mother used to be the Bankas lady from Europe, and I'm sure you know, but anybody who's watching us, they were glass cups, and you felt that if somebody was sick, that the best way to treat them was to heat these cups and, like put them on your back or your chest if you had pneumonia or something like that. And it was a really big deal. I mean, I think it's pretty obsolete, although it may come back again. One never knows, But I think these obsolete ones are kind of interesting, and that people keep repeating it even though they don't really know what it means.